This lightweight LW-PLA filament uses an active foaming formulation to produce parts that are dramatically lighter than standard polylactic acid, which is ideal for radio-controlled aircraft, drones, and wearable cosplay pieces where every gram matters. Because the foaming behavior can be tuned through temperature, print speed, and flow settings, it gives experienced users fine control over density and strength so you can optimize each section of a model for its specific load. By raising the nozzle temperature into the recommended foaming range, you can deliberately expand the material to change wall thickness and internal structure on the fly, enabling creative design tricks that are hard to achieve with conventional filaments. The expanded material goes much further than typical polylactic acid, so a single spool can cover projects that would normally require roughly double the amount of filament, which is a real advantage for large wings, fuselages, and prop making. Printed parts come off the bed with a pleasantly smooth, matte finish that hides layer lines better than glossy filaments, making models look more professional even before any post-processing. Surface texture and chemistry on this filament take primer and paint very well, so it is easy to achieve crisp colors and weathering effects on scale models, costumes, and detailed props without fighting adhesion issues.